Hi, I'm Hannah Bruce. I go to Louisiana Tech University. I'm studying forestry under a timber management concentrate, but before that, I went to CLTCC for 2 years to get my associate's degree in forest technology. So there is a program at CLTCC that allowed me to further my education with Louisiana Tech. So all of my credits transfer to Louisiana Tech, so I won't have to retake previous classes that I've already taken. I wanted to further my education in forestry and get my bachelor's degree instead of just my associates, to be able to find a better job than what I could find with my associate's degree.
Hi, my name is Emily Futrell. I'm a junior here at Louisiana Tech. I'm a dual concentration in both wildlife management as well as timber management. I started out my degree at CLTCC and decided to come here and further my education into a bachelor's degree so that in the future I would have better options. So upon coming to Louisiana Tech, I received financial aid. That's great, but they also offer a diverse amount of scholarship opportunities for you to apply for, and more come, I feel like, every couple weeks. They are always willing to help you out, always willing to find a way for you to complete your degree and reach your goals. Louisiana Tech, specifically the forestry major, is very different from anything I've ever experienced. It is family oriented. They make you feel seen. You're not a number. They know your name. They will remember your name, and they will always be there to help you.
James Pendarvis. I worked for International Paper in Mansfield, Louisiana with open market procurement. I always had a draw to forestry. Started my education at CLTCC in Winfield. Started at Drax Biomass in Urania. After I graduated CLTCC, they gave me the opportunity to go back to Louisiana Tech, paying for it and everything like that through the Pathways program. I had no intentions of going back to Louisiana Tech, but with the help of Drax, with the help of the professors at Louisiana Tech, they pushed me to come back and get that four-year degree, which I'm extremely thankful for, because I probably would not be where I am today without Louisiana Tech, the professionalism of all the professors, and everything that they pushed me to do through my program at Tech.